can't even think of words to say. I don't know how to make sentences right now. I'm just so amazed by the flora and colors all around me. It's everything I thought it'd be and more. We're going to the grocery store right now to get some food for the next few days. First impression of Hawaii.
Awesome.
First impression of Hawaii.
Tropical.
Tropical?
I already told you.
What'd you say?
Magical.
Remind me. Magical. Oh, really? Probably still learning the ropes of it, huh? They're fun to fly, aren't they, man?
Yeah, that's cool. Just get shots you wouldn't normally.
No. So we've already had a major setback today. We're gonna go to Hawaiian Falls. I probably butchered the heck out of that. And the entire road is closed for all of the beaches and scenery spots that we wanted to hit on that part of the island. So we wanted to do the Hanalei Falls, or however you say it, Kalalu Beach, I think I said that right too, and Ke'i Beach. But yeah, the road is closed to all of those points of interest. So we just came to this beach right here near our hotel. You know, I'm not complaining at all. I was really looking forward to doing those things, but apparently the road is pretty washed out, and for the next 3 months, it's closed to anyone who's wanting to go on any of those hikes or visit any of those locations. I'm just waiting for a dinosaur to come out of these mountains right here, because I swear this is straight out of Jurassic Park. Now I'm starting to believe that the flooding was actually probably pretty bad on that road, because judging by the looks of these houses, I don't think they're supposed to be sitting that low over the water. They must have been getting a lot of rain over the last couple of months.